Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Mrs. Kaveri Kori, your computer mentor for grade 4. I hope everyone understood lesson number 1, evolutions of computer. Okay, today we'll start lesson number 2, files and folders in Windows 7. Let's begin. Today we'll learn lesson number 2, files and folders in Windows 7. All are the learning objectives which we are going to learn in this lesson are introductions about file and folder, Windows Explorer, how to start a Windows Explorer, what are the components of Windows Explorer window, views in Windows Explorer, viewing the contents of files or a folder, and how to create a new folder and how to rename that file or a folder, and moving or copying of a file or a folder and deleting a file or a folder and restoring that. First, we'll start with the introduction. What is mean by file? What is file? A file is an item that contains information in the form of text, images, music, etc. What is file? What is file? If I painted something and saved that, that will become a file. For example, or else if I typed something in a Word file and if I give a name to that and if I saved that, that will also become a file. File is nothing but an information that may be in the form of music, video or a picture. And I'll show you. It is an example for file. Okay, now we'll go to folder. What is folder? Folder is a container where files can be stored. What is folder? A folder is a container where files can be stored. As I said, a paint or a music or a video is a file that we can store in folder. Best example I'll give one topic or any one lesson. Currently we are discussing about files and folder. This lesson will be like a file, single file, and the whole computer textbook will be like a folder. Folder means many number of files can be stored in this, and it is icon of folder. What is folder? Folder is a container where file like word files and painting files can be stored, and we can store a folder into another folder that is known as subfolder. A folder within a folder is called an subfolder. We can store many number of folders in a main folder that is called as subfolder. Then we'll go to Windows Explorer. We'll see what is Windows Explorer. If I say the name of Windows Explorer, you may feel the second lesson from the computer textbook is very tough. Nothing like that. You guys will be knowing everything, but the names which I am using now may feel newer to you. Okay, what is Windows Explorer? And Windows Explorer is a very important file managing application. See, in computer we'll be having separate music files, video files, gaming files, and any data or information files. Okay, those all are stored separately in a computer. Where? In Windows Explorer. And this is icon for Windows Explorer. Yellow color icon, can you see this? It is icon for Windows Explorer, and this Windows Explorer help us to organize the files and folders present in our computer. As I said what is Windows Explorer and what all will be stored in Windows Explorer, but how to open? Once we start the computer, how to open Windows Explorer? There are 4 steps. First step is click on start button. Click on start button. See, it is start button icon, rainbow colored button. It is start button. Once we start the computer, click on start button. Then second step, click on all programs. Once we clicked on start button, second, click on all programs. When I clicked on all programs, the accessories list will be displayed like this. Third step, click on accessories and this accessory list will be displayed. In this list, search for Windows Explorer. Can you see this here? Then double click on Windows Explorer. After clicking on Windows Explorer, we can see this window here, and this Windows Explorer will be having many parts or components into it. We'll see one by one now. First, we'll see navigation pane. What is navigation pane? As I said, in computer, we'll be having many types of files or folders in the form of pictures, videos, and all. Those all are sorted and made separate folders like this in navigation pane. Now we'll see toolbar. What is toolbar? In toolbar, we can organize a file and a folder, and we can copy a file, and we can create a new file or a folder in toolbar. I'll show later how to create that. And next, coming to back and forward buttons, these two are the back and forward buttons. If I click on back button, the previous task will be displayed, and if I click on forward button, the redo action will be displayed. And next, coming to address bar. What is address bar? As I explained, as I said, how to open Windows Explorer in 4 steps, step by step. How to move to the Windows Explorer, I have said. Same way, if I want to open a particular file from start button to file, we have some address path, like click on start button, next go to all programs, then go to computer here, then again go to library here. One by one steps we'll be having to open the particular file. Those all path will be shown in address bar. Next, this file, edit, view, tools, help, these all are comes under menu bar. See kids, if in this computer, if I have more than 100 files if I have in this computer, how to search our particular file, how to recognize that particular file? I cannot count and I cannot search one by one if I have hundreds of files in the computer. Then what we have to do? We have to remember that file name which we have saved, and we can search in this search box by typing the particular file name and click on search icon, and that file will be, we can access that file. Okay, and if I selected any folder from this navigation pane, the name will be displayed here in column heading. If I selected, for example, they have selected libraries. In libraries, these many all are the file or folders present in libraries. What are these? These all are file list. What these all are? These all are file list. And if I want particular file details, where I can see, where I can access that, if I double click on that particular any of the file present in library, in details pane, I can see the details of the file. Details means what? When I have created that file, what is the size of that file, what is the weightage of that file, and what's the date when I created that file, and all will be displayed in details pane here. Now we'll see what are the views in Windows Explorer. What is mean by views? See, these all are the files in pictures. Okay, these all are pictures present in this computer, and we can change the display of these pictures. How to change that? We will see now. To change the view, what we have to do? Anywhere on the screen, right click, and this box will be displayed. First one, click on view. After clicking on view, we can see these number of types in views. What are those? Extra large icons, large icons, medium icons, small icon, list, detail, types, and content. These all are types in views. By selecting these, we can change the displaying style of this pictures. We will see one by one. If I click on extra large icon, see, it will become like this. Once again, double click. Now click on medium icon. See, can you see this? Like this, we can change the views in computer. Now click on small icons. Now again click on details. Like this, in details we can see the dates and the size of the picture and all. Usually we will select large icons in for views in Windows Explorer. Now we'll see how to create a file or a folder, a new file or a folder like this. These all are the folders which are present in this computer. I want to create a similar file or a folder like this. How to create that? We'll see now. Right click somewhere on the screen, right click on new, then click on folder. The new folder has been created. Can I show once again? Wait, I'll show once again. Right click somewhere on the screen, click on new, click on folder. The new folder has been created like this. Okay, the default name for new created folder will be like new folder 2, but I don't want this name. I want my own name. How to rename that? How to change that? Again, select that file or a folder, right click, now click on rename option. Now I'll rename the folder as 4th standard. Now again click somewhere. Done. The new folder has been created on 4th standard name. Can I show once again how to create a new file or a folder? Right click, click on new, click on folder. Done. This is how we can create new file or a folder. Not only here, we can create anywhere in navigation pane. I have created in pictures. We can create in documents. We can create in local disks E. Wherever you want to create a new file or a folder. On desktop also we can create new file or a folder. Okay. Now we'll see how to copy or move a file or a folder from one place to another place. Just now I have created this 4th standard folder in pictures, right? Okay, how to copy this file or how to move this file from pictures to another folder? Like for example, can I show? I don't want this 4th standard file in pictures here. I don't want this here. I want to move this file to local disk E. Can you see this here? Okay, how to move this? To copy, and please keep in mind we have much difference in moving a file and copying a file. What is the difference between moving a file or copying a file? What is moving? Moving means cut this file or folder and replace this to new place. And what is copy? Making a duplicate copy of same file. Means 4th standard file I want here as it is in new place. First I'll show how to cut and paste. I want to move this 4th standard file to local disk E. How to transfer? Select the file, right click, click on cut. After clicking on cut, go here local disk E. Now click somewhere else on screen, right click, click on paste option. Okay, can you see this here? Can you see this 4th standard file here which has been pasted here? Now we'll check in pictures whether this 4th standard has been moved or not. Click on pictures. Can you see 4th standard here? That has been moved to local disk E. Where here. Okay, this is moving a file. Now I want this 4th standard in local disk E as well as in pictures. Both folders I want same file. How to copy this? Similar way. Right click. Don't click on cut. Click on copy. Click on copy. Go to pictures. Again click. Right click. Click on paste. Got this? What is the difference between cut and copy? Cut means delete or move that file to another new location. What is copy? Making a duplicate copy of same file. Now at last we'll see how to delete a file or folder. I have created this 4th standard, but I don't want this. I want to delete this. I want to make a new file. How to delete this? Once again click on this, select, and then now right click. We can see delete option here. Click on delete. The file has been deleted. I shown how to delete the file, but if I want that file back, then again how to restore that? Go to recycle bin. Type recycle bin. Can you see that recycle bin? What is recycle bin? Recycle bin is nothing but dustbin. Once we delete the file or folder, the deleted files or folders will be moved to the recycle bin. Can you see this 4th standard file which I have deleted just now? If I want this file back to the file or folder, how to restore that? Click, right click, restore. Click on restore option. Okay, now we'll check whether this has been came or not. Where is this? Yes, I got the 4th standard file back. And children, by this your second lesson has been completed. If you're having any doubt, please repeat the video or ping me personally. Thank you. Good day.